Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 7th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, Kiwi dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place, because today's price action is telling a very clear story. Gold is sitting at $4,149 heading into the New York Open, and the bias here is moderately bearish. The reason is that rejection at 4,187 to 4,192. That zone has now turned price away 3 consecutive sessions, and this morning's H4 candle was a textbook shooting star, spiking all the way up to 4,192, then closing back down at 4,149. When you see that kind of upper wick forming at the same resistance cluster repeatedly, the market is communicating something. Zooming into the H1 and M15, the structure is equally clear. Price made a clean 2-phase move, a strong rally into 4,192 during London, then a steady, disciplined sell-off into the close, posting lower highs and lower lows the entire way down. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is relatively light for gold. We have FOMC member Bowman speaking, but it's flagged as low impact, so unless there's an unexpected hawkish tone that strengthens the dollar, fundamental catalysts are unlikely to dramatically shift the picture today. The levels to keep your eyes on heading into the session are that 4,187 to 4,192 resistance band above, and critically, the 4,127 to 4,136 support zone below. A clean break of that lower band could open the conversation toward 4,113. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 417 and 1.1 for 508. Support is marked between 1.13986 and 1.14194. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 162.05 and 162.43. Support is marked between 161.4 and 161.76. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8072 and 0.808. Support is marked between 0.8053 and 0.806. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.5699 and 0.5712. Support is marked between 0.5671 and 0.5684. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4218 and 1.4385. Support is marked between 1.417 and 1.4185. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 216.82 and 217.209. Support is marked between 216.25 and 216.419. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.